So, hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal monthly energy check in for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of March 2026. This is not a love reading or career reading or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. So, let's start. Libra, the overall energy for Libra people for this month. Let's see what we have. We have the Queen of Pentacles, King of Wands, and the Six of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Ten of Cups. You guys want a collaboration, a partnership, a connection, a bond to work out. You guys want a connection to work out in your favor, to have a successful and victorious kind of outcome in a particular direction. For most of you, it is related to a romantic situation, but for others of you, it can be related to your business, job, career thing also. Because the bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. This is something related to your emotional fulfillment or happiness. This is something related to a long-term happiness, a long-term goal of happiness. Whether it's like a romantic connection or a business one or anything. So for this month, you guys, the overall energy is going to be focused on having some kind of bond or connection with someone and making it work out, making it successful. That's the deal. Let's see what was happening in the recent past for you guys. The World card, there was a completion of a cycle. Maybe there was some kind of unfinished business in a situation, and you guys were trying your best to finish the unfinished business. Proper closure, maybe, or proper closing of a chapter. Whatever it is, it was some kind of a closing of a chapter. Hmm? Ending of a cycle. Currently, we have the Ace of Wands, okay, brand new chapter. So, ending a cycle, brand new chapter opening up. Very excited, very passionate. For some of you, it's like a sexual energy exchange, and you guys are excited to start a chapter with someone, maybe planning for pregnancy or kids or something, okay. Or maybe you guys are, after a very long period of time, you guys are becoming sexually active again, and you guys are excited. By the end of this month, Judgment, something that's dead and buried might want to come up again, might want to come back to life again. Let's clarify the world in the recent past for you guys, Libra. Okay, honey, let's we have the Ace of Wands, the Two of Swords, and the Two of Cups. There was a situation that was making you feel like this can go somewhere, but it was continuously faced by some kind of confusion, up in the air energy. You guys were on the crossroads. So even before starting, it ended, or you guys had to end it. Okay, so some kind of a situation was there where you considered that situation as something that can become something really meaningful and beautiful, but there was a lot of confusion, there was a lot of ifs and buts and that, this and that. So it ended before even it started. Or in order to start a brand new chapter, you guys had to end something that was at some point of time very close to your heart. Okay, and you ended that, but you were not very sure about the brand new beginning. Even if you ended something with someone, you were not very sure about the next chapter, whether it is ever going to happen or not. Currently we have the Ace of Wands. Okay, so we have Eight of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, and the Sun card. Okay, you guys are very patiently waiting for some kind of communication, back and forth communication, maybe some kind of face to face meeting. You guys are waiting for someone to talk to you, someone to communicate with you, connect with you, or reconnect with you, so that you guys can start a brand new chapter that you guys are very excited and happy about. So you ended one thing, one cycle, one situation in the past, and now you guys are super excited about something brand new, but there is a waiting period. There is some kind of energy of waiting. It's not happening right now, but you guys are super excited and super happy and super open to the idea of whenever it is supposed to happen, it will happen. And it is something that is definitely going to make you feel very, very happy. So you guys are waiting for someone to open up or something to open up, so that you guys can have that brand new beginning that you guys are super, super happy and excited about. By the end of this month, we have the judgment. Let's see. Let's clarify the judgment. We have the Tower, Hierophant, and Emperor. Somebody is entering in your life. When you will be least expecting from someone to enter in your life again, someone is going to enter in your life and it's going to shock you and surprise you from the core. It's like something that was dead and buried, like maybe, who knows, 4 years ago, 5 years ago from now. It doesn't have to be a romantic thing, by the way. It can be a friendship with someone, it can be some kind of rift with some kind of family member, it can be something that work, something that you were working with, working on, and it ended or you had to end it. And now suddenly out of the blue you are going to feel like, okay, now this is the right time to start, or now this is the right time to bring something dead back to life, buried, that to back to life. For some of you, it is like the final talk, the final closure, the final energy of forgiveness within a particular situation that you guys left behind at some point of time. And then, once this forgiveness energy, this sharing of a bond with each other kind of energy is going to happen, you guys are going to feel like now your life is much more peaceful and calm. Now you got your shit together, and now from this point onwards, you guys are free from that something. Okay. Okay, Libra. So for some of you, it's a realization that in order for you to move towards your happiness, in order for you to achieve what you achieve, what you want to achieve, you guys have to go back in the past where you left something behind. I think this is a theme today. Everybody going in the past, or somebody from the past coming in, or at least nostalgia, having nostalgia energy severe. So you guys have to go in the past and resolve some kind of issue with someone. Whether resolving the issue means having this forgiveness kind of energy, forgiving them or asking for forgiveness maybe, and or this energy of like bringing something back to life again, and then realizing and feeling like now my life is happy, now everything is going to be sorted, now everything is going to go back to normal, and now my life is going to be beautiful and happy the way it should be. For some of you, it could be like you guys are considering this as a blockage, because of which you guys are not able to feel happy about anything or anyone, even if you are trying, because this needs to be resolved and sorted before you guys can move forward. Okay, let's see the guidance here, Libra. We have the Three of Pentacles, the World card, the Ten of Pentacles. The time has come for you guys to leave those situations, partnerships, collaborations, kind of energies behind, where you are not getting equal investments and equal efforts from both the sides. Hmm? Connect with those people, situations, or things where you know you are going to be loved, you are going to be accepted for what you are and who you are. You are going to be loved for your truthfulness, your honesty. Like, nobody is going to judge you, nobody is trying to change you, and the situation is just flowing. Okay, so keep yourself surrounded with those people, those situations, those energies where you know you are going to get love and support in a very, very beautiful and positive way, in an unconditional manner. Everything else, everyone else, you can just close those chapters where you know you are not going to get anything good in return. Or if you are, that is going to be conditional, or that is not going to be good for you, right? Let's see the final message for you guys, Libra. Strength and grace through kindness, self-confidence, forgiveness. Yeah, this is about forgiveness. There is something that you guys need to ask for forgiveness from something or someone, or forgive yourself from. hmm? Once this forgiveness energy is going to be there, you guys are going to feel much more lighter, much more peaceful, and your life is going to be much more brighter and easier to deal with. Okay, so deal with this shit. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.